Want to get into Claude Code but find it intimidating? In the few days since I started making Claude videos, a number of people have come up to me and said exactly that. And while I keep telling people how easy Claude Code is, when I helped my wife set it up on her computer yesterday, I realized I'd conveniently forgotten some of the things that were a little tricky about the setup. So I've got a really great hack for you. Use Claude Cowork to set up Claude Code. Now, for the record, I almost never use Claude Cowork. I don't find it terribly useful. But for this, it's perfect. When you install the Claude desktop app, it's got 3 tabs. It's got chat, it's got Cowork, and it's got code. And code won't work right out of the box. At least it did not for me or for my wife's computer. I had to install things like Git and Homebrew, and to do that, I needed to go into the terminal. There were a whole bunch of things I needed to do, and they were a little confusing for me. So you click on Claude Cowork, and Claude Cowork can then take control of your computer. It can take screenshots. It can tell you exactly, okay, paste this here. Go ahead and open this window over there. It can help you work out the entire process. And then once you've got the entire thing set up, you really don't need to go back into Cowork very often at all. The whole thing took less than 10 minutes, and most of that time was Claude Code just installing something. It would be like, okay, let me install this package and I'll get back to you in 5 minutes. In terms of actual time, it was only about 3 minutes of work. So use Claude Cowork and have it help you get this set up. And then in the next video, we can discuss about how to actually get yourself started and start to customize Claude Code for your unique use cases, which is when it becomes extremely powerful.